If you want to make even more money selling online, if you want to diversify your revenue stream, this video is entirely for you. Okay, Amazon sellers, Walmart, which started out with a big burst of energy years ago with a lot of money behind it, then it fizzled out. Walmart right now is making another push to pick you up as a seller to sell your products through Walmart. If you want to build value into your business, having alternative revenue streams adds value to your business. Here's the whole point of this video. Number one, Walmart is seemingly making it easier and easier for you to get on Walmart.com and sell your products. Number two, there are always bumps in the road, so if you're already selling on Walmart and you have a problem with your listing, if you have a problem with your account, contact us. While Walmart is not a major part of our practice, we are winning cases for you and getting you reinstated on Walmart when you do have a problem. And number three, it's a great place to make more money. You've already learned to sell on the most challenging platform on earth with the highest standards ever imposed upon retailers ever in the history of commerce. So if you can thrive on Amazon, then you can thrive on Walmart. So good news for Amazon sellers. Walmart is trying to get you online. We can help you when you have problems, and alternative streams of revenue is always good for business.